The impact of heat input on the micro-hardness and the microstructure of a welded carbon steel and the modeling of its microcrack. By Mbel Samuel Baisong, Kevin Zapi Chupao, Valerie V. Lepov and Kisito Pierre. The welding process induces changes in the heat-affected zone, HAZ, owing to thermal effects. This implies alterations in mechanical properties and microstructure based on the magnitude of absorbed heat and cooling time. The analysis presented in this article reveals that the base metal, initially composed of ferrite and pearlite, undergoes a change in grain size after welding. During welding, the heat produced during the process can affect the micro-hardness and the microstructure of the material. The change in the microstructure and the micro-hardness can be discovered by carrying out a micro-hardness test on the welded sample and comparing changes in the three different zones, i.e. the base, the weld and the heat-affected zone, HAZ, or by carrying out a microstructural examination on the welded sample and see the grain dispersion in relation to their sizes. In this work, the weld quality of manual arc welded samples of low-carbon steel Street 3 SP destined for bridge construction to be used in Cameroon has been investigated. After a chemical analysis of the material, a micro-hardness test and a microstructural examination were also done. Results show that a composition of pearlite and ferrite was seen with a composition of 20/88 respectively. For weld zone and HAZ it changes due to thermal processes. So the microstructure analysis shows that the base metal is a ferrite and pearlite having a grain size of 11 to 12 on a scale corresponding to an average grain diameter of 7 microns. The structure of the weld metal is also made up of ferrite and pearlite with columnar crystals of cast metal. The HAZ is made up of Widmanstätten. The width of the HAZ zone is about 1.5 mm in different areas of heat-affected zone and is observed fine-grained ferrite-pearlite structure with a high degree of dispersion. A microcrack was revealed with a length of 1.7 mm in the HAZ of sample number 7 and a 1.2 mm length of microcrack in the weld zone of this same probe was also revealed. The modeling of the microcrack shows that the velocity of its propagation in the welded zone is higher as much than that in the heat-affected zone, i.e. in the welded zone is estimated at 64.59 meters per second, while in heat-affected zone is 354.1 ms. This means that in the absence of welded and environmental defects, failure of structure will be common in the welded zone. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.